Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we're going to fix Outlook if you're unable to send emails from Outlook or if you're unable to receive emails in Outlook and you need to restart the computer and then you try to send your emails, then this tutorial is for you. So we will be doing only two simple steps to fix this problem, and I'll just open it quickly. And here we have this. Let's say if this is the Outlook, you need to go to this more option. So if you're unable to send, then you should check the outbox first, because there might be a possibility that you have a large attachment you're trying to send and you're unable to send it. So since that Outlook is being used to send that file, the large file, that could be a cause. So you can simply delete that outbox email, and it should work. The next is if your inbox is full. So I would recommend to delete few emails whichever is not required, and then you can check it out. You can also check your C drive space, because if your C drive doesn't have space, then it also create issues. And the third most effective step is to click on the search icon and type services.msc, and you will find the Best Match Services app, and a new window will appear like this. And here we need to go to this Google, and you will find two services, Google Update and Google Update Service, GUP. So here we just need to do a right click on that and go to Properties, and from here you need to select Disable, click on Apply and OK, and do the same process for the second one, GUP DATE. Just do a right click on that, go to Properties, and from Manual to select Disable and click on Apply, and just click on OK. And now when you will start your Outlook, it should send and receive emails and it should be working. If it's not, restart the computer and then see. And let me know in the comment section that which step has fixed your issue. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.